Welcome to Top 10 Tips for Growing Your Money. We'll discuss helpful tips and tactics in this video to enable you to get the most out of your financial journey. These suggestions will provide you a strong foundation for success, regardless of whether you're just beginning to develop your fortune or want to improve your current holdings. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to the Financial Tech channel for more future updates. Let's begin, then. Number 1. Setting clear financial goals. Any strategy for achieving financial success must include clearly defined financial objectives. To help you stick to your strategy, goals provide you direction and structure. Take the time required to assess your financial status and develop objectives that are appropriate for your present condition, even if it could be challenging. Making a list of short, medium, and long-term financial goals is the first stage in creating financial goals. Short-term objectives aid in maintaining your attention on the here and now and are often precise, quantifiable, and reachable inside a year. A short-term aim would be, for instance, to pay off a credit card in 3 months. One example of a medium-term goal is to save $5,000 for a down payment on a home or automobile. Medium-term goals are objectives that you can achieve over the course of 1 to 5 years. Long-term objectives are typically those that take 5 years or more to achieve and usually call for persistent work. Long-term objectives can include establishing a company or conserving money for retirement. Make sure your goals are reasonable when you create them, since excessively ambitious goals might demotivate others. Number 2. Creating a budget. One of the best tools you have at your disposal for achieving financial success is a budget. You may manage your income and expenses with the use of a budget. Set aside money for your objectives and gain clarity. Start by keeping note of all of your income and expenditure sources before creating a budget. This may include earnings from salaries, profits from investments or pensions, as well as costs for things like rent or a mortgage, food, electricity, and insurance. Decide how much of your gross revenue should be allocated to each item before creating your budget. This will change based on your financial objectives and ought to correspond to the priorities you've established. For instance, if saving money for retirement is a top priority, you could devote more of your budget to this goal. On the other hand, if getting a new automobile is important to you, you could put more effort into saving money for one. Last but not least, be sure to incorporate recurring budget reviews in your strategy. By doing this, you can make sure that you are moving towards your objectives, spot areas for improvement, and make necessary budget adjustments. Number 3. Reducing unnecessary expenses. A crucial component of any effective financial strategy is cutting down on wasteful spending. Making gradual adjustments to your spending patterns might result in considerable savings over time. Examine your existing spending patterns to find areas where you might make savings first. Avoid making impulsive purchases, and whenever you can, shop with a list. Consider allocating more of your money to paying off debt if you already have it, as interest charges may add up over time. Additionally, take into account cutting down on needless spending on things like streaming services, gym memberships, pricey dinners, and coffee. You may save a lot of money without compromising too much quality by choosing more cost-effective options. Number 4. Saving money regularly. It's crucial to routinely put away a percentage of your salary for savings after you've created a budget. Even if you can just save a little money, it will eventually build up. In this sense, automation of savings is particularly beneficial as it ensures regular monthly payments. Keep a strategy in place to periodically reload your savings account and resist the urge to withdraw from it. Wise investment is a key component of any financial strategy. Make sure you are aware of your risk appetite and anticipated returns prior to making an investment. A wonderful approach to increase your wealth is by making stock market investments, but you must first ensure that you are at ease with the degree of risk involved. Your financial objectives should also be taken into account while making investments. For instance, investing in an index fund may provide a nice return, but is unlikely to assist you in achieving your financial objectives, such as purchasing a home or starting a company. Number 5. Diversify your investments to spread risk. Investment diversification is a key tactic for minimizing risk and maximizing possible profits. It entails distributing your capital across a variety of assets, including stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and real estate. If one asset class performs badly, you may lower your risk of losing a significant percentage of your investment by diversifying. Number 6, educate yourself about personal finance and investment strategies. Making wise financial choices requires knowledge of personal finance and investing techniques. You may find a lot of information on the various investment kinds, the operation of the markets, and how to build a diversified portfolio online. You may improve your grasp of the financial world and your ability to make wise judgments by reading books, articles, and blogs. Additionally, taking classes or attending seminars might provide you access to useful knowledge and counsel. Number 7, take advantage of employer-sponsored retirement plans. Employer-sponsored retirement plans are a fantastic way to save money for the future. 401, 403, and other retirement programs that let you save money tax-deferred are often provided by companies. You may diversify your assets inside these programs since they often provide a selection of options. You may increase your savings by taking advantage of certain companies' matching or percentage of employee contributions. Number 8, consider seeking professional advice from a financial advisor. If you're confused of how to make the greatest investing choices, consulting a financial counselor might be helpful. A financial advisor may provide advice on a variety of subjects, including helping you to determine your financial objectives, build a balanced portfolio, and decide which assets are best for you. They may also provide you guidance on how to respond to market fluctuations and keep you informed of the most recent financial news. Number 9, be patient and disciplined in your financial decisions. When making financial choices, use patience and restraint. Avoid falling for the newest hot investments hype. Instead, before making a choice, take your time to learn about each investment's risks and benefits. Additionally, think about creating and following an investing strategy. You'll be able to concentrate better and resist the need to act emotionally as a result of doing this. When it comes to managing your money, it's crucial to diversify your holdings. Educate yourself about personal finance and investing methods. Take advantage of employer-sponsored retirement plans and seek expert guidance from a financial advisor. To maximize your prospective profits, it's also crucial to practice patience and discipline while making financial choices. You may make sure your assets are helping you reach your long-term financial objectives by following these steps. Number 10, learn the basics of investing. Investing is the act of using money or capital to make a profit or acquire more assets. Investing typically involves purchasing financial instruments or assets such as stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and real estate with the expectation that the assets purchased will increase in value over time. Investment decisions are based on research and analysis of various factors such as market conditions, company performance, economic indicators, and political trends. Investing can be broken down into 3 main categories: passive investing, active investing, and speculative investing. Passive investing involves buying and holding securities such as stocks and bonds for the long term, while actively managed investments involve actively selecting investments and monitoring and changing them as market conditions change. Speculative investing involves taking on higher risks in the expectation of the higher returns. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Let us know in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.